What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the episode of Ford Hour. You got me, Solomon, here today, and as you guys can see, we're at P15 because this is where I actually stayed last night. We're about a 2-hour drive right now from Soddy Daisy, Tennessee, back to the property that we bought that whole collection from. So right now, we're going to be heading back over there. Day 2, coming at you. I'm going to show you guys what we got out there. See you when we get there. All right, everybody, we are back over here. It is day 2, and now it's actually time to really kind of see what we got. One of the cool things, or probably the coolest thing, and now I'm going to keep this truck, is the former owner has Marty reports on most of these. So he just gave me the Marty report right here for this F28, and the chassis is sitting right there. But this is one of 8 ordered like this, and they only made 58 of these exact ones. This is a factory F250 4x4, but it's an F28 because it's a cabin chassis. So that's super cool. I've always wanted a rear den side. Now I got that one, so that's a not for sale truck. And then we just got the keys to the building because technically it's all mine. So we're gonna start walking around. I'm gonna make more videos. Greg's coming back and we're gonna load up more trucks, and should be really fun. So you guys are in store for a great day, and enjoy this video. Alright guys, so today's been a whole bunch of moving stuff around, and that's what we're doing right now. Greg just showed up and he's going to load up some trucks, so let's see what we got. So these are the first ones to go. So we're gonna go get these babies loaded and show you guys. Greg's getting them loaded. Look at that guy over there. He's in the zone right now. All right, so Greg just got all 3 of these bad boys loaded up. Man, this Torino is freaking cool. What a cool setup. And almost wrapping up for the day. So if anything else interesting happens, you guys back up. All right, guys, so it started raining. It's about 7:30, and we're leaving for the night. I'm leaving for the week, heading back to Miami. We got a lot of stuff going on, and I actually got an offer from somebody. I'm not going to release the info until everything's official, but somebody else wants every single thing here instead of me selling it. And they made me an offer I don't want to refuse. So as long as everything goes through, this became a really crazy 48 hours. I made a little bit of money, got a couple trucks that I personally want, and somebody else has a new assembly line coming. So if you guys enjoy these type of videos, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below, because I hope and I really think that this is the first time we're gonna do this, but it definitely won't be the last time. We'll see you in the next video.